All right. It's Washaholic Wednesday, and I'm Mike Kinderleiter, the Dean of Power Wash at Powerwash University and Powerwash.com. And today I want to talk to you about a product we've been selling for years called Max Quat. Max Quat is a quaternary sanitizer that disinfects surfaces, hard surfaces, and it's very easy to apply. You allow it to dry, or you can wipe it off. You need to let it sit on the surface for at least 1 minute. But because of all the things that are happening in our country right now, based on the coronavirus, we're recommending you just spray it on and let it set. And to give you an idea of what this blends into and what it mixes up to, it mixes at 1 ounce to 2 gallons, meaning that there's 128 ounces in 1 gallon, which will make 256 gallons inside this, I think it's a 275 gallon tote. It'll make 256 gallons. Because of what's going on in the market, we're recommending you use the maximum strength, 1 ounce to 2 gallons. And I just want to take you to a job site or onto a facility where we cleaned a playground for a daycare. And I'm going to walk you through what we did out there to apply Max Quat to their equipment on site and just donated the services. So anyway, let's go out to the job site. So what I'm gonna do, just kind of give you a little idea of what I'm gonna do in this video, is I'm gonna talk about how we're gonna apply it with the soft wash system. For those that have soft wash systems and wanna do a direct application. And then we're gonna talk about how to do it with a power washer through a downstream injector and some of the mix ratios that we're gonna use to do that. So let me start off. Right here we have one of the soft wash systems that we sell at Powerwash.com. Whether you have ours or somebody else's, this product will still work with any soft wash system out there. So basically what we have on this tank, if I can get you to kind of come around here with the camera. We have a 50-gallon batch tank right here. And in this 50-gallon batch tank, we need to mix ready-to-use application. And a ready-to-use application of Max Quat, it's 1 ounce to 2 gallons. So in a 50-gallon tank, that will be 25 ounces. So when we get ready to start applying this, we're going to turn the machine on, let it agitate and blend real good, and then we'll start applying it. Now let's head over to the downstream mix process. So just for reference, this is a downstream injector. This one happens to be adjustable. I've got this actually set to wide open. Now, also for reference, about the strongest you can get a downstream injector to draw is at 20-to-1. If you know you're pulling 20-to-1, I'm going to give you the mix ratios on how to do that. But if you're wanting to do this with a downstream injector, I recommend you just err and say 30-to-1. And I actually have a sheet that we'll send out with this. You can get this before you buy it or after you buy the product. Either way, the sheet will tell you the mix ratios. So and the 20-to-1 mix is on this sheet, but I'm gonna talk about the 30-to-1 mix and how strong to mix the 5-gallon container. So with 5 gallons, we're gonna put 9.5 cups of Max Quat in a 5-gallon container. So I have 8 cups, and now I want to do 9.5. And I'll probably just go, since I spilled a little, I'm going to run it up to 9 3/4. Because like I said, I just want to err on the side of caution. And normally you always want to mix solutions when you're adding to water. But I'm going to tell you right now that Max Quat is not a volatile chemical or anything, so you don't actually have to do this. So if you want to put your Max Quat in the container first and then add water, you can do that. Because what you want to do to get the right ratio is go ahead and fill this up to the 5-gallon mark. And let me see if I got a marking on, though this particular container does not. It's actually pretty close to 5 gallons already, but I'm just going to go ahead and add a bit of water to it. Now I'm good. I'm gonna rinse my hand off. Do that Max Quat there. So we're gonna hook this up to our pressure line and drop this down into the Max Quat. And then we're going to go start applying it to the playground equipment. Actually, what we've done is we found a local playground at a daycare. We're donating services here so we can shoot this video for you guys and benefit the children that happen to be at this daycare. Now, if you want to get the material I talked about earlier in a PDF format that talks about the mix ratios for direct application, either through a soft wash system, a pump-up sprayer, or spray bottle, and the mix ratios for a downstream injector that would apply at 20:1 or 30:1, just click the link below and we'll send it to you. Again, I'm Mike Kinderleiter with Powerwash.com, and now more than ever, I hope you have a safe and successful week, and I'll see you next time. So again, I'm Mike Kinderleiter, the Dean of Powerwash at Powerwash University and Powerwash.com. I hope you found this useful, and if we can help you with the product, give us a shout. You know where to find us, and I hope you have a safe and successful week. I'll see you next time.